On average, the Beaumont Public Library main branch circulates over 6,000 items. However, some items returned are in need of repair.
That's the first thing I do, open it up and see where it's the binding. This is called mending books, where the binding is broken.
Books with loose or broken bindings are glued with wax paper placed to help repair the books. Rubber bands are then used to hold the pages and book together in order for the glue to dry.
So on an average, we probably get maybe 10 books in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, or maybe in a month.
While not many items need repairing, the service does save the library the cost of replacing items.
Very valuable service, because when she's up there repairing the books, we probably have, like maybe a $30 book that she's repairing that we're not having to replace.
But why do items get damaged in the first place?
Depends upon how rough people are with the books. It depends upon children.
Normal wear and tear of items over years of use can cause repairable damage as well.
To where they checked out 50 times or even 100 times. And when it gets to that, the books, the repetitive opening and closing of the books, they get damaged.
The book repair service will ensure patrons can continue to enjoy the library for years to come. Ricky Adams, LUTV News, Beaumont.